Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 17th of January, 2023. We're going to talk about Sandbox real quick. It's been a while. It's been a very long time since I did a video in Sandbox. Actually, it was on September the 26th, 2022. You guys can see from the chart that we didn't do a price prediction. We were pretty much waiting to see how price was going to trend. And you guys can see that it trended down. So hopefully we've seen the end of this movement to the downside in Sandbox, to where we could possibly see and continue move up. So I wanted to talk about that today real quick. So I'm going to break this down. I'm not going to waste your time. So let me go ahead and show you all the current direction of the market. A lot of cryptocurrencies has been trading this way, which is a pretty good thing because it lets us know that we have seen some type of agreement between the overall cryptocurrency market. So we are in an uptrend into the market in Sandbox, which is a good thing. And we're going to identify that on this particular video today. And we already know, if you guys been a part of this particular channel for a while, you know that as long as price holds the trend, we will always go up in price into perpetuity, forever, infinity, as long as price stays above this trend line. So that's going to be our main focus today for Sandbox. Now let's go ahead and look at this on a long-term basis real quick, because what occurred here on the 2-weekly price bar, I do like what happened right here. And I'm going to zoom in so you all can see it. That the last 2 weeks has been very positive for us to actually contemplate and say that the probabilities of us seeing Sandbox continue to go higher is still there. My concern now, though, is looking for price to run towards $1 on the 2-weekly time frame. That's an area of resistance that I am seeing right now in Sandbox, right there around $1. Look how we ended out on the week, and again, we're still seeing some positivity into the market in Sandbox on the weekly chart. So we're going to continue to placate and expect price movement to the upside in Sandbox, maybe around 90 cents as the first price target, and then $1 for the second. Okay, look at this on the 5-day. So again, you guys can see how strong the market actually is in Sandbox right now. I would suspect sooner or later we will see the influx of sellers trying to come in, maybe around 80 cents. Then I said 90 cents. And then $1. Those will be the areas that I will be looking for price to try to run towards, and then see some selling try to come through and try to push the price back down. So we got to learn how to see both sides of the market, right? We always need to understand where buyers are positioned, and then we also need to know where the sellers are. So do I think overall that the market trend in Sandbox is over with going higher? I don't, but there will be times that price is going to go down, because we've seen the market on the low of the beginning of this year to where we are at now. The market has already seen 100% move already. For the month of January, we've seen price in Sandbox already increase 100%. So at some point, we need to be prepared to see this market go down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Like I said, I'm not going to make this too hard, too difficult. So now the biggest concern is for us to maintain price in Sandbox, at least hold the trend line. We at least want to see buyers hold the trend line. Now let me go ahead and give you my 3 price targets. The first one's going to be 80 cents. You guys can see it's 9.25. My second one's going to be 90 cents, which is 22, almost 23%. And then third is going to be up here towards $1. It might be like 95 to $1, and that's around 30%. Or 32% market move to the upside in Sandbox right there. Okay, so let me go ahead and fix this. Again, first price target 80, second one 90, third 95, $1 area, and that is it. I am done. Now, to those who are new, the YouTube algorithm pushed this video to you because it knew that you needed to see this content. It wanted you to know that there's actually someone out who's able to do price prediction without being confused, without using technical indicators, without using someone else's opinion. We simply look at the charts. If you guys want to learn more, I would suggest that you join me. Hit the like button instead of it, also subscribe. Also tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss out on my videos and my content, because this is what I do. I do forecasts. Simple. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.